The next line is sleeping straight line. Sleeping straight line. It is also called horizontal lines. Let us see how to draw it. To draw these lines, you have to keep your copy in this position, like this. Start from the left and go to the right without lifting your hand. You don't have to lift your hand anywhere. Just start from here and end here, like this. In the entire page you have to do the same. Left to the right. Let us see again. Like this. Draw as many times as you can, but always try to make your line straight. It will be possible after some practice. Do as much better as you can, but in the beginning you don't have to be too fast. Do like this very slowly. In the entire page you have to do the same. In my next video I will teach you how you can use these lines. Now use the horizontal lines to make some drawings. Let us start. Draw this line, one more line like this, and match both the lines like this. This is rounded shape, and once again do the same here and make its handle. It will be a pen. You can write the name of pen, any pen. This is ink. In the entire page you have to draw only one drawing, just like draw it here again. In the next page, draw this object that I am drawing here. Draw a horizontal line and draw one more line. Start like this and go to the half portion of this line, and now draw its handle like this. It will be a knife. In the entire page, draw the knife. Draw one more object. Draw a little box, and then draw the lines one after another. We have to draw all the drawings in every part. First draw a rectangle, then its a handle. Whenever you have to stop there. First draw these lines, after this and after this, one after another. And now draw some vertical lines. This is also called a standing straight line. It will be a brush. Now draw one more thing. Match the lines and now draw horizontal line like this. Now write the name of this paste. This is Colgate. Now join both the lines in the same way as I am doing. Draw a horizontal line, standing line, horizontal line, then standing line. It will be a square, and draw one more line, match the corners in this way. Draw one more line like this shape and draw a triangle here. It will be a kite. Now see what more drawings you can draw using these lines. Now draw a vertical line, a standing line, this is also called. Then horizontal line, then again vertical line. Join both the lines. This will look like a rectangle. Draw one more rectangle inside it. In the same way, in the internal part of rectangle, in the middle of it, draw one more vertical line, a standing line, this is also called, and draw its stand. Everywhere you don't have to stop your hand. Draw free hand. You may stop your hand whenever you are required. Like I started here, you may stop here. Started from here, I stopped here. But do not stop here in the middle, like this. This is the wrong process of drawing. No, you don't have to do like this. Draw straight, absolutely free hand.